got some proper ones and we've got here. The 1996.
Shotgun.
$26.
Look at those ones.
Smashed it.
So much better.
Oh shit, yeah.
Look at the springs and shit inside that.
Hey, hang on. $44. Pump action shotty plus that.
Oh, and you get the little one. The refills. Oh,
I paid $10 just for 2 of these. Oh, hey, hang on.
full auto assault.
Hang on a minute.
Gas canisters and everything. One of these cunts want to kill it, man. Yeah, we'll just go buy some bullets.
Oh, look, there's one of them slingshots.
$6.
They were 15 at the other shop.
Do you reckon you could pull that apart enough to take home? You probably
If
could.
you put that in your bag, could you say?
Oh, hand warmers.
$1.97 for 6 packs.
What are these? Paintball! You're
I'm
fucking kidding me.
buying some of these to bring home with us.
Look, paintball guns. Real fucking paintball. Oh, there's a paintball grenade. You could get that home, couldn't you? Maybe? Paintball grenade.
Well,
What sort of shitty job?
That is sick. Oh my god. Walmart is the place to be. What they full on? That's just in Walmart. That's just in
the plastic guts.
it's just in the supermarket.
Oh, I can't believe that. I'm so disappointed. $10.97. We could have had so much fun with that one.
Look at the shotgun. Look at these ones with scopes and shit. Oh, small pest control. Large pest control. Yeah. They like
Small pest control.
Slugs.
yeah.
With Rod. Get
Yeah,
rid of
Rod is the pest.
Rod is it. Rod, you are our pest.